gonna start a new trip from Koh Samui to Koh Phangan. After being here in Koh Samui for like 7 days, and then we're gonna stay also for a few weeks in Koh Phangan. Let's start our journey. Now we're gonna go for grabbing a coffee. So finally on boarding. We have waited for like 45 minutes. I don't know, this was really not so good experience, I would say, so far until now. Let's see. Just arrived and then trying to arrange a taxi to go back to the hotel. We finally succeeded to arrange a taxi. It's basically like a shared car with other people, and each one pays like 300 baht. So we're going further, we're going up north. Now we're in the southwest part of Koh Phangan. Welcome drink. Looks like it's in the last room.